Hi everybody, it's Patty Davis with Crooked Tree Creations, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to flock some pine cones. I wanted to flock the pine cones because I'm putting it in a flocked swag. I got this swag from Joann Fabrics, and in my opinion, you don't want to put just a regular pine cone in there. You want it to be flocked. You want it to look snowy, just like the swag would be. So I'm going to flock these, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint them just on the very tips, just like this. Okay, very simple. And even if I wanted to just put it in the wreath just like this, it probably will be okay. But I just wanted to show you, I have like a flat brush like this. I have some paint. This is gloss enamel, okay, from that Americana, yeah. And all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take a pine cone. And I got these pine cones at Big Lots last year on clearance from their fall stuff. And I use pine cones for Christmas. I mean, I use them all the time actually, but I thought these were a great deal. And if anybody's watching, if you could please have pine cones without that strong cinnamon scent. I love cinnamon, but that scent is entirely too strong. I can take scent, but yeah, when you walk into like Joann Fabrics and you see those scented pine cones, it just takes your breath away. But anyhow, so what I am doing here, I'm just painting the tips. I'm going from bottom to top, top to bottom, and side to side, and getting my fingers in the meantime too. So it just looks like that. And again, I could probably just put them in the wreath like this, but I'm going to go from here and actually flock them. Okay, I'm going to set these aside. I will do more of these when I'm finished showing you what I'm doing. Now this one, the paint has already dried. So I'm gonna take this flocking. Okay, I bought this, I'm gonna say probably 2020. And it's just called Bonding Flock Snow White, okay? This is from craftflocking.com. But you can get it on Amazon. I'll put a link on there to show you something very similar to this. But this is so simple. This comes with directions, but it is so simple. All you need is a spray bottle full of water and this, and I got this from the Dollar Tree, just a little sifter. There you go. And that's all you need. So I'm going to angle you down so you can see what I'm doing. So from here, what we are going to do, I'm going to just put a little bit of this flocking stuff into my sifter. Now I will say, it says it is non-toxic, and yes, I believe them, but if this clings to water as easy as it does, I'm afraid that you might be able to breathe some of this in. So it kind of makes me a little nervous. I would like to wear a mask as I do this, just to make sure I don't breathe any of these particles, because you will see there's a lot of dust that comes up from here. But anyhow, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to spray this very lightly, and then just put the flocking on here. And yes, I am doing this on a box because guess what? It will cling to whatever you are putting this on. Okay. And then I'm going to do this one more time. And just shake this on. So now it looks like snow. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love this. If you wanted to even put a little extra sparkle in there, okay, which I'm gonna see if I can do this. Okay, I have this iridescent glitter. I got this from Joanne Fabrics, I'm sure, a few years ago. And then I got Mod Podge. Well, that lid just went all over the place. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take some of this Mod Podge, spray that on there, take a little bit of this glitter. You don't need much, okay? And I'm going to sprinkle that on. Okay. And that's it. Spray a little more Mod Podge. So there you go. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? You can't see the iridescent from there, I'm sure, but I can see it here. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it's going to look fantastic in my swag that I'm going to do later on today. My name is Patty Davis. I'm with Crooked Tree Creations, and I'll see you in our next video.